about to read 1.2 million words. Let's go. Book 1, Grief. Bruce wallowing in childhood memories, his mum's illness, and death's a big equalizer vibe. Heavy stuff. Tanzaville seemed little more than Book 2, Breakup. Bruce scattered, moping by the sea, chasing girls, but his heart's still in bits. Swears he's over her, but come on man, he's obsessed. 3, Denial. It's 3 in the morning, 51% red. 4, Jealousy. 5, Anxiety. Bruce freaking out. But guess what? It's not the world, it's his brain, overthinking everything. By book 6, more death and grief. Bruce sees everyone crumble to basic instincts. Stoic? Nah. More like total chaos. I'm done. 30 hours, 31 minutes.
Hey Sam, what about your phone?